Today I'm going to be taking a look at this commercial ice maker that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get this thing out of the box, see everything it comes with, and then get it hooked up and test it out. All right, and here is the ice maker out of the box. This is quite a large ice maker. That's why it's a commercial one. This would be something great for a bar, restaurant, hotel, anybody that needs a whole lot of ice. It does come with everything you need to hook it up. It comes with a water connection. I've already got it hooked up to a water connection I already had. And then it has a drain hose, which I have hooked up. You see it there on the right of the video. A manual, comes with some thread tape, so you can hook up that to a faucet if you need. And it comes with a stainless steel scoop and an extra plug for inside of the ice maker if for some reason you lose it or damage it. But yeah, it's got everything it needs. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing turned on and making ice. It has already started circulating the water and cooling the inside down. It's got a light on it too. All of that can be handled with the control panel here on the front. You can change the settings, make the ice thicker, thinner, change different modes, just all the settings using this little control panel right here on front. While it's making ice, it's got this cool little timer on the front that lets you know when the next drop of ice is gonna come. So yeah, this is a really nice ice maker. It's got a ton of storage there for you to store ice. Can adjust the size and quality of the ice. It's got timers, just all different kinds of settings. Again, you'll need to reference the manual to, understand all those settings, but a great ice maker. If you're looking for something big like this won't disappoint. All right, well, I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.